Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. What color is that one?
Yeah.
Is it blue?
Yes. Cap.
Oh, are you coloring the cap? What about this one? What color is this one?
Green. Color.
Yeah. That one has beads in it, so it makes noise. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3.
This is the story of the magic night train. Once upon a time,
Are you coloring?
the magic night train.
Can you shake them?
Okay.
Whoa, pretty. Pretty.
This blue.
Blue. We have other colors too. Look at this one.
Blue.
Blue. Another blue.
Next is blue.
How many are there now? 1, 2.
Mine.
Oh, was that one yours? Okay.
This yes.
Ooh. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Thank you.
Mine.
That one's yours?
Yes.
Peppa and her family have arrived at the very faraway seaside, and they all enjoyed their train sleepover.